Hi guys, quick tip for those of you who want to revamp their Dualtron connections, or controller to battery. And yeah, so this is the XT150. This is a fairly large connector. See, you solder the wires in here. You got a nice well for the solder to set in and make a good, powerful connection. But these are too big. When you put them inside a scooter, especially on the Dualtron 2, this is not gonna work. You got 3 sets of wire here, you got 4 sets of wire here, you got 3 sets of wire here, another 3 sets of wire here, and it's a total mess. This is simply not viable. It's too large of a connector. And I was looking around for XT90, but I was afraid of using a too small connector. So I called Mini Motors and they recommended that 5.5 connector. And compared to this, it's just gonna be so much smaller. So imagine that the ends of the wires are here versus the ends of the wire are here. And after you apply the shrink wrap, or the shrink tube, it's going to amplify. You're not going to be able to bend it. You're only going to be able to bend it at this extremity here. So yeah, you got plenty of space in the Thunder to play around with connectors of any kind you want, but here every centimeter is valuable. You're not going to be able to fit them all. So you have to use the smallest you can get. And I asked the factory, and this is the 5.5 gold connector. CO552. This may be their own store's reference number or a standard measure for it. And this has got a half well, but it's still nice enough. I think at the factory they even cut off this half well here. Anyway, I'm gonna try these out and see if there's a lot of space saving around it, and tell you guys how it's going. Oh, there's no well at all in this area. It's just flush. Oh well, we'll see.